Curious about finding out if someone has deactivated their Instagram account? Here's how. Initially start by opening the Instagram app on your device. Next, click on the search icon at the bottom and type in the exact username of the person you are looking for and open their profile. If their profile appears, but if it shows no post yet, it might mean they have deactivated their account. Additionally, if you see Instagram user at the top, that's another strong sign their account has been deactivated. To be sure, you can also check from web browser. Simply open any web browser on your device. Here type instagram.com and enter their username and search for it. Now click on the first profile that appears. If the page doesn't load, they have likely deactivated their account, and that's it. Now you know how to tell if someone has deactivated their account on Instagram.